Blowing up the phone, she know I see her calling me. Don't lie like I ain't a dog, but that ain't something I try to be. Man, I can't let these hoes, and I can't trust in me. She claims she want my heart, but that's too bad I lost the key. We done took your hoe, you can have her back, all up in your business. I don't deal with that, that salsa bitch is Mac. My niggas, yeah, we neck, all up in your business. I don't deal with that.
I can't deal with a bitch. I don't wanna chill with a bitch. Just for the big, give a hard dick and a hard time. She wanna love me. I can only love a part-time cause it's not mine, not allowed. Come my V bitch, I'm a dog. Got your main bitch all in my balls. Give it to my room, I'm fucking with a wall. Damn, oh, a nigga ass was a hoe when she first sucked me on the kitchen floor. Open up a mouth, now I'm swimming in the throat like a man on a boat. I ain't playing with a hoe. Oh, damn, the motherfucker gotta go ham like Little trying to get them Uncle Sam. Before I leave the world, bitch, you know who I am. Bitch, I'm Little Red P.O.M. bitch, I'm the man.
Blowing up the phone, she know I see her calling me. Don't lie like I ain't a dog, but that ain't something I try to be. Man, I can't let these hoes, and I can't trust in me. She claims she want my heart, but that's too bad I lost the key. We done took your hoe, you can have her back, all up in your feelings. I don't deal with that, that salsa bitch is Mac. My niggas, yeah, we neck, all up in your feelings. I don't deal with that. M-O-N-I-G-U-Y, keep it 700, man. Everybody know I'm a sucker for these hoes. Nah, I'm just fucking playing, that's a motherfucking joke. We stacking this money and fucking these hoes. Just like the Migos, we trap out the bendos. And rule number one, never put a sting hoe before your bankroll. Yeah, I'm stoned now, my color I bank is chrome now. Can't trust these bitches cause they break more promises than bones now. Gotta get this money at the bank where I belong now. Cause fucking with these envy ass niggas, you'll get cloned now. Blowing up the phone, she know I see her calling me. Don't lie like I ain't a dog, but that ain't something I try to be. Man, I can't let these hoes, and I can't trust in me. She claims she want my heart, but that's too bad I lost the key. We done took your hoe, you can have her back, all up in your feelings. I don't deal with that, that salsa bitch is Mac. My niggas, yeah, we neck, all up in your feelings. I don't deal with that.
Got sauce, a nigga got Mac. Got money, got Trapp. Can't find no love the bitch, can't trust the bitch. Can't toss the bitch and give her back. It's all about money, nigga, get a stack. $100 50 shit to a rack. Don't come around me, bitch, unless you got some money, cause I'ma give your main bitch back.
All up in your feelings, I can't deal with that. No. I'm BlizzArd Dracula. Baby girl, give me that neck. I'm getting green like Shrek. It came with a stinky odor. I'm a cold ass nigga, bitch. I came from Alaska. Wanna climb up on my dick, but baby, you gon' need a ladder. Told me stop running through the pussy, cause she can't breathe, got asthma. She say she from Atlanta, but really from Alabama. Got a Georgia P ass, Emma say hound on my tongue.
Man, this shit crazy. How y'all fall in love with these hoes? Man, keep that over there. I'm a dog ass nigga, fuck a hoe, hit a house, skeet it on and let my kids over there. Tell me why these niggas hate, cause I'm fucking hoes and they y'all hoes. Ain't no reason to be cuffing hoes, I'm cutting up behind closed door. I'm getting bitches, stacking paper, getting more ass than the kitchen table. She give me a long face like an alligator and I get high, no elevator.